here's the DIY tutorial for you to be able to make this pocket folder. So as I've said, this was an inspiration from the other crafter. I'll put in her YouTube below. So what I'm gonna show you is just how to make this pocket folder. Some of these envelopes are just, you know, easier to do because it's just manual. Maybe I can show you a few. And then the tags, I've already shown it to you on my previous video. This is just what I actually use to make that tags. So it's very easy. And then, you know, all of those are included on the kit. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna score this. So you just need one 6x6 paper. We're gonna score this paper into 2.5 inches vertically, and then we're gonna flip it horizontally. We're gonna score it into 4 inches. Okay, so show you what I have for this. Okay, so here you actually got two pockets. So the first one is this first pocket, and the second one is this larger pocket. So for the first pocket, you'll have the tag, and then you'll have this mini card that you can write your note if you're doing pen paling, or you can just, you know, use this to decorate your journal or your planner, or, you know, put in some reminders or notes for yourself, or put in like a note and then put it beside a photo of your family members in your journal or in your scrapbook, right? And then I've created an envelope made out of vellum, and inside that envelope you'll have a lot of different ephemeras that you can use. So you have star, you have butterflies, you also have fluffy gold heart there, and then you'll have a vellum heart in here. So there's a lot of things. That's so cute. It's just, you know, an example of what you can put into your envelope, like a handy decorating material. If you're gonna put this pocket folder in your journal, right? And then on the second one, I put in like a mini paper envelope in here. It's so dainty, it's so cute. And then I just, you know, I was able to make this one just manually scoring it and using some of my handy punchers to decorate the sides. So it's very cute. And then we have more tags in here, and then we have like a note card, a journaling card, if you may, that you may use, right? So you can put this back here. There you go. And the reason why I'm showing this to you, it's because, you know, if you're too busy to do it by yourself, you know, to cut, to size, to measure, etc., what we did is to help you is we made a specific kit that you can use for you to be able to make this folder, or to make this folder pocket. Okay, so here you can see that we actually added a lot of things, right? So not just the ones that I've shown you in the pocket folder, but we have this pocket vellum envelope that we made, where you can put in this folder inside if you want, or you can put a lot of other stuff inside, but that's like a bonus, right? Then we have this doily as well that you can use to decorate. Here, this is where it actually is very good. So you just have to glue it together, but we have pre-cut it for you. And since this is a blank paper, we also pre-cut like a background paper for you, so you can use this as like this entire pocket folder. So there, you already have it. It's pre-cut for you. You just have to glue it together. Okay, isn't it nice? It's very handy. And then we also have an additional bonus for you. We pre-cut this pocket envelope, so you just have to glue it together, you know, and then there you go, you have this dainty envelope. We also made this pre-cut for you, like this one, the one that I've shown you earlier, this envelope. So this is your version of that envelope. So cute, so dainty. And then of course, we didn't forget to give you like this mini card that you can stuff in that folder, and as well as tags. And we make sure that your tags has these reinforcements as well. So this set is very nice. It's very pretty. We also have this memo card or journaling card for you to write on. Okay? And then, not only that, that's not only the things that you're gonna get from your kit. You will also get this paper clip. It's very cute. It's handmade. And then we throw in this, because I know you're gonna ask, do we have that vellum envelope as well? Of course you do. And then the ones that I've shown you earlier, it's only like, there's only a, you know, few of ephemeras, but here you've got a lot of things going on. So you have a lot of papers here, die cuts, etc., and even trinkets. We also put in, you know, a few of that reinforcement, just in case, you know, you wanted to do your own tags. At least reinforcements are made available for you. So this is your very, very cute vellum envelope. Okay, so it's here. And then I know that you're asking, what is that tag doing there? It's actually for here when we close it. And we just wanted to make sure that, you know, when you receive this, you really got a happy mail, because here it's very cute and you can actually reuse this, right? You can just peel it off and then put it in your journal so that you can have like a tab on the side that you can reuse. Ain't it good? Okay. This one is for here. Okay? And then here, what you will have is, you're gonna get this. I also got this idea from her, from Sandy, where she's always using or giving out tea bags. It's very nice because in this tea bag, you can actually put in some of your goodies here. So you can put in your washi tapes, and then you can just, you know, pile it in your journal or in your planner. So it's very nice. So you also got this washi tape. I think it's marigold. And then some of these ephemeras, you're gonna get it so that you can, you know, beautify more of that folder. You also get this cute thingy that you can use to dangle in your journal or in your planner. And then these adhesives, gold and colorful adhesives that you can use to, you know, decorate more of your envelope, your, you know, folder, etc. And also, I'm not sure, I hope you can see this one. It's actually a sticker. So it's very nice. It's very, very nice. So there you go. And of course, this one that you can use in your tags. And this is like a clip that's holding it. Okay? So you've got a lot of things actually on this particular kit. And you can visit our shop at Shopee, Scrapbookie Crafter. I'm also posting it in Facebook. But if you wanted to buy, you can buy it from our Shopee store, online store. Alright? Thank you guys!